Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Today we learn that how to use curve drive pattern. Okay, so let's get started. For the curve drive pattern, we should have a solid geometry. Okay, which I have already created. Other than solid geometry, we should have a body or feature which will we need to pattern and curve for the driven pattern. Okay, so I have created the solid geometry. We will create a now body and curve. Okay, so first of all I will create curve on this face. Okay, click on SP line. I have created the curve for the driving pattern. Okay, now I will create the body. Select this face. Okay, I have created this radical part for the driving pattern. Okay, curve driving pattern. So click on curve driving pattern feature, then select this in direction 1 and select feature. I have this which we need to pattern. So okay, you can see now it is with equal spacing. Okay, there's the 12 instances and with equal spacing. If you want without equal spacing, you can uncheck this. Okay, how much you want you can write down here. But I will keep it with equal spacing. It will be symmetrically. So I'll keep 15 instances here. Okay, you can see. And in direction 2 we will select this curve. There I will keep same instances 15 and with equal spacing. Okay, now you can see there are more patterns will be done. Okay, we will click on pattern sheet only now. Okay, then you can see the pattern has been done and click on OK. Okay, like this you can use the curve driven pattern. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like if you like this video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.